You've probably held money before, but what if I told you one country put an endangered bird on its highest value note? A tiny bird called the moa, so rare that most people have never seen it in real life, yet it travels millions of times every single day in people's hands. Why would a country do that? And that's not all. On the same note is the scientist who split the atom and changed the world forever. One note, one endangered life, one world-changing discovery. This is not just money, this is a message. Watch till the end, you'll never look at currency the same way again. Before any printing begins, the substrate has already arrived. New Zealand's $100 note is not made from cotton or paper. It is made from biaxially oriented polypropylene, a transparent polymer film produced by melting polypropylene pellets, extruding them into a flat film, and then stretching that film simultaneously in two directions under precise controlled tension. This biaxial orientation aligns the polymer's molecular chains in both directions, giving the film extraordinary strength, optical clarity, and dimensional stability that cotton paper simply cannot match. This film is then processed at CCL Secure in Craigieburn, Victoria, Australia, where white opacifying coatings are applied to both surfaces, transforming the transparent film into the creamy white substrate that will become the note's background. But one precisely defined zone running the full height of the note on the right side is masked during the opacification process and left completely transparent. This becomes the large clear security window that is the NZ100's most visually distinctive feature. The completed Guardian polymer substrate, with its white background and clear right side window, travels from Australia to the Canadian Banknote Company in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. The printer contracted by the Reserve Bank of New Zealand, where the printing begins. Now the printing begins in earnest, and this is where the polypropylene transforms into genuine New Zealand currency. The first printing stage at CB in Ottawa is simultaneous offset printing, where large advanced sheet-fed offset presses apply the warm yellow and orange dominant background of New Zealand's Brighter Money series to both the front and back faces of the polymer, substrate simultaneously in one single. Production pass. The vibrant warm yellow-orange colour scheme that earned New Zealand's 2015 to 2016 banknote redesign the popular name Brighter Money establishes itself across both faces of the polymer surface at precisely the same instant. The puzzle piece see-through register elements, carefully designed partial 100 numeral fragments printed on the front face and the back face in precisely matching positions, are applied during this offset stage so that when the finished printed and cut note is held to any light source, the partial fragments on both faces combine together to form the complete readable denomination numeral. After the offset stage is complete, the sheets proceed to Intaglio printing, the stage that truly transforms a flat offset printed polymer sheet into something you can actually feel with your fingertips. The deeply engraved, hardened steel plate bearing Lord Rutherford's portrait, his Nobel Prize medal engraved in detail and overlaid on the radioactivity investigation graph that represents the defining scientific work of his life, the bilingual Reserve Bank of New Zealand /Tepte Matua text in both English and Te Reo Māori, and the large 100 denomination numeral are all inked completely across every engraved groove, then wiped perfectly clean across the flat non-engraved plate surface, and the yellow-orange offset printed polymer sheet is pressed against the plate under enormous. Hydraulic force. The polymer surface presses physically into every ink-filled engraved groove. As the sheet separates from the plate, the thick intaglio ink is drawn cleanly out of the grooves and deposits on the polymer surface as raised ridges standing physically above the polymer surface. Run your fingertip across Rutherford's portrait on a genuine NZ100 and you feel those ridges. That is the feel in the Reserve Bank's Look, Feel, Tilt verification method. The Nobel Prize medal, the radioactivity graph, the bilingual text, all physically raised and all impossible to reproduce on any consumer printing technology. A separate intaglio pass on the reverse brings the Muir yellowhead into raised relief on the Fireland Eglinton Valley background, alongside the South Island lichen moth, red beech tree and native ferns, New Zealand's most remote wilderness encoded in dimensional ink. The large transparent window on the right side then receives its metallic diffractive optical security element, a complex holographic film bonded within the clear polymer window that contains a metallic moorbird silhouette, the outline map of New Zealand's distinctive long narrow islands, silver fern motifs, and a three-dimensional 100 denomination feature visible when the window is examined from the correct angle. A spark optically variable ink element is then screen printed on the front face, the gold moorbird silhouette that shifts colour when the note is tilted, the tilt in look, feel tilt. Serial numbers are applied by letterpress, protective varnish seals all printing. Automated optical inspection verifies every parameter: Rutherford intaglio depth, Moore intaglio depth, metallic window elements including the NZ map and silver ferns and 3D denomination feature, spark OV performance, puzzle register alignment, of elements, serial numbers before the sheets. Proceed to cutting. Then comes the cutting. Before any sheet reaches the cutting machines, every fully printed sheet passes through the CBN Comprehensive Automated Inspection System, which verifies every security feature on every note position. Rutherford intaglio depth, Moir intaglio depth, metallic window elements, spark OV performance, puzzle register alignment, OV elements and serial numbers. Defective positions are marked. Approved sheets are then loaded into guillotine cutting machines programmed to the exact finished dimensions of the NZ100, 155mm by 74mm. The blade descends cleanly. Individual notes emerge from the sheet as complete individual banknotes for the very first time. Each freshly cut NZ100 passes through a high-speed sorting machine that confirms the absence of any rejection mark. Defective notes are automatically diverted into secure reject containers. Only fully verified notes flow forward. Those approved notes are counted in groups of 100 and banded with official paper bands. Each bundle represents 10,000 New Zealand dollars. 10 bundles are assembled into a brick of 1,000 notes, representing 100,000 New Zealand dollars, sealed in tamper-evident packaging. Sealed transfer cases are jointly authorised by CBN and Reserve Bank of New Zealand representatives, loaded into international air freight containers in Ottawa and transported from Canada back to New Zealand. In Wellington, armoured vehicles deliver the sealed consignment to Te Piti Matua, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand. The notes are distributed through New Zealand's commercial banking network, ANZ, ASBI, BINS, Westpac, Kiwibank, into ATMs and bank branches across the North and South Islands.
All right, easy now. Watch the clearance on the gate. Steady, steady. Coming down.
Just this deposit for now.
Thank you.